Here's how to add tags to a customer or a system in Dealer Admin. First, go to the New Tags page in the menu under Settings and then Tags. From here, you can view all tags created for your Dealer Admin. Let's add a new tag. Select the plus button, then give this tag a name. Let's create a tag that I'll add to all of my brand new installations. I'll call this tag New Installs. I can give this tag a description if I'd like. To the right, I can add this tag to any customer or system. Click here to expand the list of systems for a given customer. You can apply a tag to a customer or a system. By applying a tag to a customer, each system underneath that customer automatically inherits that tag. If a tag is added to a customer, the system tag cannot be removed. This also means that any new system added for that customer will receive that customer tag. You can add as many tags as you like to any customer or system. I'll select a couple of systems that are my new installations. Once I'm done selecting systems or customers, click Save. Let's look at another way that I can add and apply tags. Open up a customer and select Edit. Here, you can see a new section where you can add, apply, and remove tags. You can see the commercial tag I added earlier. Select this field, and you'll see a drop-down of all of my existing tags. To add a new tag to this customer, simply select it from the list. Remove a tag by clicking the X button. I can also add new tags from this page. Simply start typing a new tag. You can see here I can create a brand new tag. Click Create, and now that tag has been created and applied. After any changes have been made, select Save. You can view applied tags here. Let's take a look at how to add a tag to a system. Open up a system, then select Edit. Here, you'll see customer tags have been applied to this system. Because these tags have been applied to the customer, I can't remove them from the system. However, I can add or create additional tags for this system. Now that I've applied tags to customers and systems, I can use those tags to search for a customer from the customer list, run a report and filter it by a tag, or filter a custom role's access to a specific tag or tags. Let's take a look at that. On the customers page, you can use a tag to search for a customer or a system. Simply type in the tag and it'll pull up that system or customer. You can also run a report and filter it by a tag. Under Tools, select Reporting and Analytics. Scroll down until you see Custom Reports. You can now see that I can select a tag to filter my report by. Finally, I can create a custom role and filter access based on a tag or tags. Select Personnel, then select Custom Roles. First, create and configure your custom role, then apply the tag later. Let's open up a custom role. Scroll down under the Limit Access heading, and you'll see a section where you can apply a tag to this custom role. By applying a tag to a custom role, any personnel will only be able to see the customers or systems that contain that tag. After making any changes to your custom role, be sure to hit Save. And that's how to add a tag to a customer or a system in Dealer Admin.